Got $5? Great. You're already richer than you think. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn that crumpled $5 bill into a financial empire. Okay, maybe not an empire, but you can definitely get started in investing. And guess what? You won't even need to sell your kidney. You've probably heard people say, it takes money to make money. Well, I'm here to tell you, those people didn't know about investing apps, fractional shares, or how powerful a little bit of cash can be. Let's get into 7 genius ways to start investing, even if you're broke like yesterday's piggy bank. 1. Start with fractional shares, because you're not buying the whole pizza. Think you need $300 to buy a share of Tesla or Amazon? Nope. You can buy a slice of that stock with as little as $1 thanks to fractional shares. It's like buying one slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. Sure, you don't own the whole pizza, but your slice still tastes delicious. 2. Get paid while you wait with dividends. Free money? Yes, please. Dividends. They're like the universe's way of saying, hey, thanks for owning this stock. Here's some extra cash. Think of it like this. You invest in a company, and every few months they toss you some money just for hanging out. Imagine being paid to own stuff. That's dividends for you. It's like if your fridge paid you every time you open the door. Okay, maybe that's a stretch, but you get the idea. 3. Use micro-investing apps, because every penny counts. Ever feel like your spare change is just lying around doing nothing? Micro-investing apps like Acorns round up your purchases and invest the spare change for you. It's like accidentally dropping coins, but instead of losing them, they're secretly growing into a money tree. Imagine buying a taco for $2.50, and that extra 50 cents is put to work. Not bad for taco money, right? 4. Index funds. The lazy investor's best friend. Too lazy to research individual stocks? Welcome to index funds. They let you invest in hundreds of companies at once, without breaking a sweat. It's like buying a whole basket of goodies instead of just one apple. Think of it as a no-thinking required way to invest. Perfect if you've got better things to do, like binge-watching your favorite show. 5. Robo-advisors. Let the robots do the hard work, no Terminators involved. Robo-advisors are like hiring a robot financial planner. You tell it how much risk you want to take, and it handles the rest. No emotions, no panic selling, just a cool, calm robot managing your money like a pro. Don't worry, these robots won't take over the world. They'll just make sure your money works for you while you nap. 6. Invest in what you know. Yes, even video games. Here's a little secret. Invest in what you already know and love. Do you play video games? Check out companies like Nintendo or Microsoft. Love coffee? Look into Starbucks. The trick is to invest in companies you actually understand. Makes it a lot less scary. If you know how they make money, you're already halfway there. So yes, your video game obsession can make you money. 7. Be patient. Get rich slowly. Sorry, no Lambos tomorrow. Let's get real for a second. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more like planting a tree. You water it today, and maybe next year it gives you shade. But in 5 years, you'll have the coolest treehouse on the block. So no, you're not buying a Lambo tomorrow. But hey, you might have a treehouse full of cash in a few years. Bonus tip, avoid these beginner mistakes. Okay, real talk. First, don't chase hot stocks you heard about on Reddit. By the time you buy, it's too late. Second, don't panic when the market dips. Stocks go up and down. It's part of the game. Finally, don't check your stocks every hour. It's like watching water boil. Painful. Conclusion. Your financial future starts today. So there you have it. You don't need a ton of cash or a degree in finance to start investing. Whether it's fractional shares, micro-investing apps, or letting a robo-advisor do the work, you can start small and grow big. Remember, every dollar is like planting a seed for your financial future. If you like these tips, hit that subscribe button and join the Finance Made Fun family. Let's make your money work for you, one genius step at a time.